you know, it's because somebody asked me I did another talk with, not this title, but I talked about this in the talk also. And someone at the end said, well, how is this going to end? You know? And like I said, like what we're doing tonight is going to determine what that butterfly, how it's going to end. How many people take the time to heal themselves? Because what's happening is the fear, the scapegoating, the racism, the violence, the control, the despair, all of these things are a result of unresolved, issues that we all have. It also speaks to how we take care of ourselves and what we believe about health and healing, just in a more practical level. And do you believe in your body has some innate healing properties, or do you believe that everything has to be external with a pill or a injection, or only what the government says is what is going to make me better?